Hey, craving something creamy, blueberry, and quick? This No Bake Blueberry Cheesecake is about to become your new bestie. Let's whip up some of that creamy cheesecake magic. Mix together 16 ounces softened cream cheese, 1 cup sugar, 3 tablespoons of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon lemon extract. With a spatula, fold in 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping to keep it light and fluffy. Place into a 9-inch graham cracker crust, either bought or homemade, is outstanding, and smooth out your filling. Easy peasy, right y'all? It's time for our blueberry finale. Top the masterpiece with a can of blueberry pie filling or 2 cups homemade blueberry topping, and refrigerate 2 to 3 hours, or better yet, overnight. Big flavor with little fuss. Link to the detailed recipe is in the description. Create this masterpiece now. Thank me later. Happy baking, y'all. Ooh, don't forget to like and subscribe.